Module 16.4, Day 2, AA Similarity of Triangles. Content Standard. Use the properties of similarity transformations to establish the AA criterion for two triangles to be similar. Language objective. Explain to a partner how to use the AA criterion to show similarity in triangles. Applying SSS and SAS triangle similarity. In addition to angle-angle triangle similarity, there are two additional shortcuts for proving two triangles are similar. Side-side-side or SSS triangle similarity theorem. If three sides of one triangle are proportional to corresponding sides of other triangles, then the triangles are similar. Side angle side triangle similarity theorem. If two sides of one triangle are proportional to the corresponding sides of another triangle and their included angle are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Okay. Determine whether the given triangles are similar. Justify your answer. So let's redraw these two triangles. So we have this one, N, M, N, and P. Given that's 4, and this is 8. We are marking, and let's draw the larger triangle. So then this will be M, R, and Q. And we're given that since they're sharing the same marking, so this angle M is congruent, and MR is 6, and from M to Q is 8 plus 4, which is 12. So then we can use proportion. So we can say MN over MR, so give us 4 over 6. So reduce to 2 over 3 and try MP over MQ and 8 over 12 and reduce by 4, so then it's 2 over 3 as well. And since the angle M's are congruent, so we have that these two sides are proportional and these two sides are proportional. So then these two triangles, so we can say triangle M and P is similar to triangle MRQ by side angle sides. Okay, and let's try these two. So they said, well, when you look at these two, we're given all three sides, but then there's no marking on the angle. So we can answer this question. You are given 3 pair of corresponding sides length and no congruent corresponding angles. So then try to prove it by side. So check that the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. So we say that LM over GH. So then LM is 12. So we have 12 and G to H is 8. So we can reduce by 4. So then 3 over 2. And MN, so then MN is 15. So since this is the longest side, we compare it to the longest sides here. So it will be JH. So 15 over 10 reduced by 5, so 3 over 2. And this is the shortest length. So then LN to the shortest length. So we JG. So it'll be 6 over 4 and reduced by 2, so then 3 over 2. So since they all have the same ratio, 3 over 2, so that means that we can say J, G, and H. All right, so when you write this, you go from short, medium to long. So you're doing the same here. So short, medium, and long. So then we say that N, L, M is similar by side. So then the order when you write this is very important, right? So here we're saying that angle J is congruent to angle N, and angle G is congruent to angle L, and angle H is congruent to angle M. Right? So you are given all three pairs of sides. You don't need to check for congruent angles. Okay, so then on your homework, when you type it in onto your HRW, make sure that the order are important. Okay, so let's try this. It said your turn. If possible, determine whether the given triangles are similar. Justify your answer. So I'll give you a minute to work out number 10, and I'll give you the answers. Okay, so we're given that angle A is congruent to angle F. So then we're comparing CB to HG. Right, so it will be 6 over 3 reduced to 2, and CA over HF. So then we have 10 over 5 also reduced to 2. So we have size, angle, and size. Right? But then can remember that on theorem we say that the angle must be between the two sides. Okay, but then this angle is not between the two sides. So even though it appears similar, but it's not. So then these two are not similar. Okay, so be careful. If they were given at angle C and angle H, then we can conclude that they are similar. But then the angle is not in the between the two sides, then we can say that these two are not similar. Okay, now let's go on to number 11. Right, so we're given that this is a right angle and this is a right angle. So we're comparing MN. Oops, my mistake. Let me rewrite this. MN over JH. So then we have 8 over 3. And we have MO over JG and 10 over 5 reduced to 2. But these two ratios are not the same. So then the number 11 is also not similar. Okay, so then that's the end of our 16.4 day 2 notes. So your assignment is number 11 through 14 and number 16, and you are to finish and turn in your HRW on 16.4, and we will be moving on to our next module.